Hello friends, so we've seen a lot of iPhone 15 rumors at this point, but these are perhaps the biggest we've seen so far, as the amount of new information is concerned. It's from Ice Universe and Apple Hub, who as we already know are the go-to guy for inside information on Apple iPhone. These are some of the new changes to expect from the upcoming iPhone's 15 Pro lineup. First, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max will have the thinnest bezels of any smartphone ever. All four bezels will measure in at just 1.55 millimeters thick. For comparison, the iPhone 14 Pro Max was 2.17 millimeters. In addition, the iPhone 15 Pro series will feature the latest A17 Bionic chipset. Compared to the A16 Bionic chipset, the prototype version of the A17 Bionic is 43% faster, and in the single-core test, the upcoming chipset is 59% faster, which means it will enhance the user experience to next level. Apple is set to launch red color for the first time on a Pro model, which looks stunning. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will be more expensive than the current Pro models. This will be the first Pro model price increase since the iPhone X. Significant online debate surrounds the claim that iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max price may rise by as much as $200. The regular iPhone 15 models will lack 120Hz ProMotion and always-on display, which means the basic functions being left out to make the consumer buy the more expensive models so that people can stay on the Pro lineup also for future upgrades, which I personally think is manipulation towards consumer. Last, Apple's latest iPhone is on its way. The iPhone 15 will reportedly either be named the Pro Max or the iPhone 15 Ultra. Alleged leaked images of the new iPhone started circulating on social media over the weekend. Apple's latest iPhone will reportedly be made partially with titanium, like its latest models. It will come without a physical button for the home screen. The device's camera lenses will be sleeker and protrude far less than previous versions. The iPhone 15 is expected to start selling this September. That's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please hit that like and subscribe button for more. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.